This video I actually want to talk about the Binance deposit and withdrawal fees because a lot of you guys are asking for them. The fees for crypto and fiat withdrawals or deposits. We'll talk about it within the video. But before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. Just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. I go over everything that you want to know about crypto, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button to support the channel. I'm sponsored by a few really cool projects. First, it's Dogecoin, really cool, a token. The pre-sale and the private sale sold out very quickly. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. The link will be available in the description down below. Also sponsored by Bybit. There's a lot of bonuses you can claim there, and I trade with over 200 grand on Binance. You can follow all my trades, over 100 signals per day. I'm up over 100% in the last 30 days. Everything is has proof, and so on. Definitely do check it out. So let's talk about the fees, and more importantly, the deposit and withdrawal fees. Most of the things you are wondering about are the fiat fees, so we'll start with them. I actually use euros, so I'll tell you what I do and what fees I have when I deposit. So all you gotta do is select euro in the deposit and withdrawal fees category, because I'm in Europe.
Okay,
and then well, I currently pay a 1.8% fee, as you can see, to deposit from my bank card. I obviously don't need to deposit anymore because I already built up my account. But yeah, 1.8% is not that bad, because then the fees on Binance are very low to trade, especially the maker and taker fees for futures trades. So if you haven't signed up for Binance, use my link in the description down below to sign up for that. So the Ethan account balance is 0.05. Bank transfer for SEPA was 0%, and the withdrawal was just 1.5 euros. But the issue right now is that you can't really use those because they're suspended. Maybe they aren't when you are watching the video. Then for USD, if you're using USD, the bank transfer for Swift is 0%, so that's really good. A lot of you guys and girls might be using the Swift option, and it just depends on what you're using. To add money in and out, what I do is I use USDT TRC20 because it has the lowest fees. It's always $1, which is really cheap. I also use BUSD BEP20 to use for MetaMask. And Ethereum, I use Ethereum ERC20. So you type in Ethereum, here it is, Ethereum ERC20. And the fees is not cheap, 0.005 Ethereum. That's not very cheap because Ethereum is expensive. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, let me know there. See you next video, next token. Bye.